The National Education Policy 2020 was approved by the Union Cabinet of India on 29th July 2020. It aims to transform India's education system by 2040. In the first year, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Regional Office Agra has taken certain initiatives. Based on various themes of National Education Policy 2020, webinars were organized and meetings were conducted.
Very good morning, all of you. We all know that the Union Cabinet gave its approval to the new education policy, which is called the National Education Policy 2020, NEP 2020 for short. Now, if you go through this document, you will know that it's a very ambitious policy, in fact a policy document covering the entire spectrum of Indian education. Beginning with early childhood care and education, it covers all the different stages of education, including primary, secondary, higher secondary, and even higher education and vocational education. Today, I will be focusing mainly on the early childhood care and education, which comes in the early parts of NEP 2020. One thing that we should understand is that the new education policy aims to provide quality education to all Indians.
These videos were shared to all teachers to help them in its fruitful implementation for holistic development of students. Regional Office Agra organized cluster and region-wise online competition for teachers on preparation of communication material related to different themes of National Education Policy 2020 in form of video films, posters and infographics in form of PPT. National Education Policy emphasizes competency-based learning, focusing on students' demonstration of desired learning process. Regional Office Agra organized 2 virtual workshops for primary teachers from venue Kendriya Vidyalaya No. 2 Air Force Station Hindon through resource persons trained by JEETS. National Education Policy 2020 emphasizes foundational literacy and numeracy as an urgent and necessary prerequisite to learning. Regional Office Agra organized various regional level workshops to train primary teachers through master trainers trained by JEETS. National Initiative for Proficiency in Reading with Understanding and Numeracy, NIPUN, was launched by the Ministry of Education, which aims to cover the learning needs of children in the age group of 3 to 9 years. The school principals have organized NIPUN training for all PRTs in their respective schools. Teachers of Agra region took challenge, conceptualized and assigned multidisciplinary projects to their students, and students did the projects successfully. Teachers of Agra region developed multidisciplinary lessons and implemented it by teaching lessons of maths, EVS, art education or English, Hindi, music in sequence. Students with various interests enjoyed the lesson, and it was a perfect example of inclusive education.
शिक्षा का सूरज है निकला, हो रहा है अब उजाला, आंखें खोलो।
हमको भी है लिखना पढ़ना, हमको भी है आगे बढ़ना, तुम भी बोलो।
शिक्षा का सूरज है निकला, हो रहा है अब उजाला, आंखें खोलो। हमको भी है लिखना पढ़ना, हमको भी है आगे बढ़ना, तुम भी बोलो।
जो नहीं पढ़ सकता उसके सामने जैसे अंधेरा है,
जो नहीं पढ़ सकता उसको एक मजबूरी ने घेरा है।
कितनी ही मजबूरियां शिक्षा मिटा देगी,
उन्नति के रास्ते शिक्षा दिखा देगी।
उम्र चाहे जो भी हो,
मैं कहूँ और तुम कहो,
कभी भी
कहीं भी, कभी भी, कहीं भी हमको पढ़ना है, आगे बढ़ना है। हमको पढ़ना है, आगे बढ़ना है।
मरे पा मा बनी धनी पा,
मा पनी धनी पा मा परे,
सारे मगा मगा मा,
सरे पा मा परे मा धनी।
Danadom, 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 danadom. Danadom, 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 danadom.
हमें लिखना है, पढ़ना है, आगे ही बढ़ना है, खाते हैं हम ये कसम।
Danadom, 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 danadom.
जो ज्ञान का रास्ता है, शिक्षा का रास्ता है, उसी पे चलेंगे हम।
सत्य क्या है? ये सुनो, अपने मन में जान लो। ज्ञान की जो रोशनी है, उसमें ही तो जिंदगी है।
पाओ शिक्षा, पाओ भोजन, स्वस्थ मन हो, स्वस्थ जीवन।
वो जो शिक्षा पा गया है, वो ही आगे आ